Hey guys, today we're going to the South Pole to see the penguins. But something is wrong there. I wonder what it is. Let's hurry! Pinkfong play Flong. Hi guys, I'm Willow.
Hi, I'm Baby Shark Ollie.
Today we're going to the South Pole to play with the penguins.
The South Pole has lots of snow and is really cold, so we need to dress warmly.
You're right. That's why my room is closed. Shall we go? Hoi poi Pinkfong! Hi Penguin, we're here.
Hi Willow, hi Ollie. Welcome.
Penguin, the South Pole isn't as cold as I thought.
You're right. The Earth is getting hotter, so it's not as cold as it used to be. Are you tired from traveling? I'll give you some snacks. Just a little further. I caught this in the ocean today. Enjoy.
Huh? Plastic bottle? Plastic bag?
That is a straw. You eat that?
There are no fish because it's too hot. But we can catch things like this. Try it. Yum, 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 yum.
No, Penguin, this is not food. Don't eat it.
Ow, ow. Huh?
Hey Penguin, where are all your friends? Aren't there a lot of penguins in the South Pole?
All my friends disappeared, and my family too. The Earth is getting stranger, you guys. There are no fish, and it gets hotter every day. And I think my tummy hurts from eating these things. Please help me.
What was that? An earthquake?
That's the ice breaking because the Earth is too hot. Hurry, let's avoid it. Hurry, guys, do something.
Hoi poi Pinkfong!
That was close, Willow. We almost got hurt.
Yeah, that was really scary. I hope Penguin is safe.
Like Penguin said, the Earth is getting stranger. Why is this happening?
Guys, it's because of all the disposable items we use.
Oh, Pinkfong, disposable items? Why?
We use too many disposable items that turn into trash. It spills into the ocean and flows to the South Pole and hurts our animal friends.
That's why the penguins are losing their food and place to live.
What should we do?
We need to protect the penguins. Let's fold a paper penguin.
Huh? Why?
The paper penguin will tell us the solution. Let's fold a penguin together. First, fold the square paper into a square twice. Open and fold into a triangle 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Flip it over and fold into a triangle 4 more times. 3, 4. Place your finger in. Do you have this shape? Then fold the penguin's head slightly round. Stick the long side together so it doesn't open. Then stick the eyes. Then the mouth. Wings. And feet on the penguin. Penguin is complete! You can also decorate a box to make an iceberg and put the penguin on top.
Penguin is complete.
Is the penguin going to give us the solution now?
Of course.
Wow, the penguin is talking.
Of course I can talk. But wait, Willow, Ollie, what is that?
What?
Did you guys use that disposable cup and straw? No, there are too many disposable cups and straws that float to the South Pole. You shouldn't use them.
Okay, I won't use them anymore.
Use this instead. A reusable cup.
Okay, Penguin, I'll use this from now on.
Wait, is that a plastic bag? No!
Plastic bags are easy to use.
Willow, you saw penguins get a tummy ache from eating plastic bags. Use this instead. Aha! I can use a reusable bag for a long time.
I use this instead of plastic bags.
Don't use disposable items. Turn off the lights in empty rooms. Ride bicycles instead of cars. Friends, you need to protect the penguins by doing these things at home, okay? Phew, I'm so busy. Now where do I have to go?
How to fold a penguin. Shall we review?
First, fold the paper into a square twice. Open and fold into a triangle 4 times. Flip it over and fold into a triangle 4 more times.
When you have this shape, fold the penguin's head a little bit round. Stick the long side together so it doesn't open.
Then, stick the eyes, mouth, wings, and feet.
Penguin is complete.
Did you guys understand? Instead of disposable cups and straws, use reusable ones. Instead of plastic bags,
Use a reusable bag. Don't worry, Penguin, I'll keep my promise.
can you guys promise not to use disposable items at home? If you keep your promise, the penguins won't eat any more plastic bags and will be healthier.
Friends, please send us a picture or a video of you with your paper penguin. We'll do a raffle and send you a present.
I'm excited to see all the awesome penguins.
Me too. Please send them to us. Okay, guys, then see you next time. Pinkfong, Playfong.
Bye!
Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.